sure they have made the right decision to be with Fiji Football. We have various other sponsors who have sponsored various events, and we take this opportunity.
Has done tremendous work in preparing build-up stories for all major football tournaments in the 2013 course IDC. The POC, ID, and CBC final. So ladies and gentlemen, the Global Flight Center in Mr. Swami of Nandi. He also received a air ticket to Australia or New Zealand with the compliment from Global Flight Center, Fiji FA, Team of the Year is Bar.
Tonight, we celebrate the effort of the footballers, team officials, and management. This is a special night that must be remembered. To the Fiji Football Association family, President Rajesh Patel, board members, district association, football fans, and not forgetting Global Flight Center, the sponsors of the event. It is a privilege to be part of the Global Flight Center Fiji Football Association Awards. I believe this prestigious event first started in 1993, and I would like to congratulate Fiji Football Association for maintaining this event. This awards functions provides a unique opportunity for Fiji FA to honor players and officials for their hard work in the 2013 season, which is really a king gesture. Many have gained inspiration to work harder. A good example is our very own Roy Krishna, who I believe is also nominated for the Football of the Year award. Roy has worked hard to achieve what many other players are aiming, and that is a chance to play professional football. This past week, it was announced that Roy has been signed a further 2 years with the Wellington Phoenix. This indeed is a proud moment for the country. To the other players, the success of Roy Krishna is something which should inspire you to aim for higher goals. Looking at the awards function tonight, a strong group of individuals have been named and nominated for the awards. This goes to show that everyone is working to take football to greater heights. On this note, I would like to thank sponsors, Global Flight Center. Their support has made this event possible, and they deserve a big round of applause. Fiji FA continues to look for means and ways of promoting the game. Let us unite and support them in their effort. To the nominees, not everyone will walk away with an award tonight, but I would like to assure you that you all are champions, and football family salutes you. With these words, I would like to thank Fiji FA once again and wish them all the best for the remainder of the 2014 season.